This week we are talking all about our Battement Tendu, or simply Tendu. Battement would reference the term beating, and Tendu being the term stretched. We traditionally do this in first or fifth position, and we go en croix. So we would stretch our leg out to the front, to the side, to the back, and to the side. If I give you a side view, it would be to the front, side, back, and side. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we talk about all of the 5-foot positions and how our foot leaves the floor and comes back down and why that's important for our tendus. Thank you for watching, and I will see you then.